In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a site in ERPNext. Welcome aboard. Let's dive right into it and guide you through the simple process of deleting a site in ERPNext using the Frappe Cloud dashboard. If you're managing multiple sites and need to streamline your work environment, deleting an unwanted site might just be the solution you're looking for. First up, you'll want to navigate to frappecloud.com. Once you log into your dashboard, you'll find yourself looking at various options and settings available to you as a user. This is the central hub where you can manage all your ERPNext sites effectively. Take a moment here to look around if you're not entirely familiar with it, as understanding how this platform operates can be hugely advantageous in the long term. On your dashboard, you should be able to view a list of the sites you currently have. Spend a quick second reviewing this list to ensure you're targeting the correct one for deletion. Removing a site is a permanent action, so double-checking now can save you from future headaches. Look closely at each site to distinguish them by name or any identifiers you have set up, making sure you're pinpointing the correct one for removal. Once you've identified the site you wish to delete, focus your attention on the three small dots positioned next to the site name. These dots act as a menu, providing more options. Clicking on them will bring up a drop-down menu, and it's here that you'll find the option labeled Drop Site. Selecting this option is like prepping before the deletion. After clicking on Drop Site, the platform will ask you to confirm this action. This is a crucial step designed to prevent any accidental deletions, ensuring that you really want to go ahead with removing the site. Confirming this action means the site's data will be permanently removed from your Frappe Cloud account. So take a deep breath, pause if you need to, and when you're ready, tell the system you are sure about this decision. And there you have it. With these few steps, your ERPNext site will be deleted from your account, keeping your dashboard neat and organized. Remember, when managing digital assets like this, it's always wise to consider backing up important data beforehand and verifying that you are working with the correct site. Hopefully, this guide has been clear and helpful for you. Thanks for joining me today. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.